I love eating chicken. What the fuck? You always Are you shit fucking me right now? Here you go.
Bonk. Bonk.
Did you get enough water? Oh.
Bath time always gets weird with Spoon.
Okay.
Why are greyhounds like this?
Sorry.
Nie, nic. Siódem. To płe. Opa.
If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it, do a spin. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, do a spin.
Sharon, are you seeing this? I finally I finally got it after all these years.
No.
Okay. Hey John, check it out.
Oh my goodness. Pet Lily? Pet you? Pet Lily? Pet you? Pet Lily?
Ay, ano yan? Dabo! Ay!
Roy, nakita ka ah.
Oh my. She's actually making a snowball.
That is hilarious.
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Tank. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Broccoli, melanzana, mela, pera, banana, pollo.
Oh shit, OG. Oh my god, Nikki, you are so beautiful. Oh my god. When you do the hair?
Seriously? Really?
My dog wanted fizzy soda and didn't know how to act.
He got used to it. Oh no.
Oh, Mommy! Ma, Toby's biting. Winston?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we have to buy you food. Please, thank you so.
Archie, get off the table. Get off the table.
Okay.
Oh, God damn it. Oh my God. Get off of me.
Where am I supposed to go?
I came in like a rat. God, oh, we out.
Go hit it.
Wolfie? 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 Oh shit, I thought you were dead.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Something I have that I don't know why is that every time I brush my dog, I always keep his fur because for some reason it just feels bad to throw it out. Like, it's such a soft material, it literally feels like a cloud. And I guess sometimes it can make good accessories like hair, but yeah, I don't know what to do with it.
Hello. 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 Oh.
Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Kajde.
내가 놀아줄게. 놀아줄게.
You guys are weird.
There goes the crackhead that I see each morning.